Hey yo, you guys, what is up? This is the cat. Yes. Going. What do you want?
Listen, I don't want you to lose your allowance from this coming week.
I already know. 814. Gay, got it. Yeah. Only the Cat133. What is up? Reply play. Okay, so this is a game where you make your own virus, and without further ado, let's get this going. Run the game. There we go. Oh god, okay. Now this is when we start focusing on killing the cure. Kill the cure. That is the plan. Okay. Transmission. Oh, I've lost. Well, that's GG. Thanks you guys for watching. And as always, like, comment, and subscribe. I will be soon enough posting videos every single day. I love you guys so much. Thanks you guys for watching.